Rally, rally around the West Indies. Let's go win this. First T20 in Jamaica, Sabina Park. Real That's TV here live.
Body out, come back over. Come back over, youth. Body out.
Good ball, boy. Good ball, boy. Decent over. It's after 8 overs. Sri Lanka 66 for 4. Jaja Youth. That's a shot. Gone for 6. Well done, Youth. Well done, Youth. Well done, Youth. Well done, Youth. And the West Indies has taken yet another wicket. It is now 138 for 5. For 6 rather. Cracking shot for 6. Through the gap. Saved by the fielder. One to with Sri Lanka, they will not give away any run. They will hustle for everything. Damn, somebody down there. And the West Indies victorious in the first T20 against Sri Lanka with a target of 148. They make it home 149 for 3 with 4 balls to spare.